PoorBoy Success Story. Once upon a time, in a small village in India, there lived a boy named Donnie. Donnie was born into a poor family, where his father was a daily wage laborer, and his mother was a homemaker. Despite the financial struggles, Danny's parents were always supportive of his education. They wanted their son to have a better life, and break the cycle of poverty. Donnie was a brilliant student, he loved learning, and was always curious about the world. Despite the lack of resources, he never let it dampen his spirits. Instead, he would borrow books from his friends, and read them with zeal. Donnie had a dream of becoming a software engineer, and changing the course of his family's life. As Donnie grew older, he realized that his dream was not going to be easy to achieve. His family's financial situation made it challenging for him to continue his education beyond high school. However, Donnie was determined to succeed, and he decided to work hard to make his dream a reality. He got a job at a small software company as a trainee, and started saving up money. Years went by, and Danny's hard work and determination started paying off. He was soon promoted to a junior software engineer, and started earning a good salary. Danny's family was proud of him, and was amazed at how far he had come. With his newfound financial stability, Donnie started investing in his education. He enrolled in online courses, and attended workshops to further his knowledge and skills in software engineering. Danny's dedication and hard work caught the eye of his boss, who offered him a job at a multinational software company. Donnie was ecstatic, and quickly accepted the offer. He moved to the city, and started working at the company. It was a big change for Donnie, and he had to work even harder to keep up with the fast pace and demanding work environment. But he was determined to succeed, and he did. Within a few years, Donnie had become one of the most skilled software engineers at the company. He was well respected by his colleagues, and was even offered a leadership role. Donnie was grateful for the opportunities that had come his way, and knew that it was all because of his hard work and determination. Danny's success story inspired many people in his village, including the younger generation. He became a role model for them, and many of them started to believe that they too could achieve their dreams. Donnie never forgot his roots, and always remained humble. He started a foundation to support the education of underprivileged children in his village, and provided financial assistance to families in need. Years passed, and Donnie became one of the most successful software engineers in the country. He continued to work hard and give back to his community. Danny's success journey was a testament to the power of hard work and determination. He had overcome the challenges of poverty and had achieved his dreams. Moral of the story is, Danny's story is an inspiration to all of us. It reminds us that no matter where we come from, or what our circumstances may be, we have the power to change our lives and achieve our dreams. All it takes is a little bit of hard work, determination, and a never give up attitude. For more videos, subscribe and like my channel.